You apply for a car loan, or a mortgage, or even a new apartment. Then you get the exact answer nobody wants. We are sorry, your application has been declined. This stings deeply. It is incredibly embarrassing. You feel entirely trapped. You work hard every single day, but the system rejects you instantly, all because of 3 small digits, your credit score. Lenders look at this number, then they judge your entire life. Or worse, you actually get approved, but the interest rate is absolutely brutal. It is so high it feels like a punishment. You pay double what other people pay. Every single month feels like a painful financial struggle. Your credit score is bleeding you dry. Is your credit score quietly costing you thousands? Yes it is. It robs you blind. It steals your future wealth. This chart shows your lifetime financial penalty. A bad score silently costs you over $200,000 extra. You pay drastically more for everything. Someone with good credit pays 5% for a car. You pay 14% for the exact same car. That is an extra $3,000 stolen from your pocket. You pay higher apartment deposits. You pay higher insurance premiums. Banks drain your bank account. They profit from your bad score. This endless cycle stops today. By the end of this video, everything changes for you. You will know exactly what is hurting your score, and you will get the exact steps to fix it. This system takes 6 to 12 months. It works perfectly on any income level. It requires 0 expensive financial advisors. You hold the power now. You will beat the banks. You will win this game. Financial leverage is not given to the lucky. It is engineered by people who understand the rules. Your credit score is a report card for adults, except nobody gave you the syllabus. Most people only discover their score when it is damaged. Today, I give you the entire syllabus. It is time to fight back. Grab a pen. Take notes on every single step. Step 1. Know your score and your report. Go to annualcreditreport.com right now. Do not wait for tomorrow morning. Do this today. You must face the brutal truth of your current numbers. You cannot fix what you refuse to look at. Pulling your report is mandatory. It is the very first step. Stop avoiding your financial reality. Ignore the scam websites promising overnight credit fixes. They only want to steal your money. Pull your free credit report from the legally mandated source. This is 100% free and entirely legal. Check all 3 major credit bureaus immediately: Equifax, Experian, TransUnion. Get all 3 reports today. Do not skip a single one. They often contain different data. This mock report shows exactly what to look for. Notice this suspicious late payment entry? You must scan every single line for false marks. Look for accounts you never opened. Look for misspelled names. 29% of reports have damaging errors. Click the Dispute Error button immediately at each specific bureau. Fight every single false charge. Demand proof from the bureaus. Removing these errors gives an instant score boost. The bureaus have 30 days to legally prove the debt. If they cannot prove it, they must delete it. This single action can add 20 to 50 points fast. It is the quickest win you can get. Do not leave free points behind. Make the bureaus do their jobs. Reclaim your lost points. You cannot fix a broken system with bad data. Eradicate the false marks dragging your baseline down first. These errors are silently stealing your money. Dispute them violently online. Force the bureaus to correct your file. This clears the path for the actual rebuilding phase. You clean the slate entirely. Then you build upward. Step 2. Never miss a payment again. Payment history is the single biggest factor. It makes up 35% of your total score. This is the foundation of your entire financial reputation. Lenders only care if you pay them back on time. Nothing else matters without this. You must prove you are reliable. You must pay on time. One single missed payment destroys your progress. It drops your score by 100 points overnight. It completely erases months of hard work and intense discipline. The algorithm punishes inconsistency brutally. You cannot afford to rely on your human memory. Human memory fails when life gets stressful. You will eventually forget a payment. The bank will penalize you instantly. Log in to every single credit account today. Set up autopay for the minimum balance. Do this for your credit cards and student loans. Do this for your car payment. Set the minimum payment at the absolute minimum. You can always pay more manually later, but the minimum payment keeps your score safe. It blocks late fees permanently. Human memory fails constantly when life gets busy. A digital firewall guarantees your payment history compounds perfectly. It works in your favor every single month. Autopay prevents missed payments permanently. You build positive history while you sleep. Set up the firewall and never worry about due dates again. You automate your financial success. You remove human error completely. Step 3. Destroy your utilization rate. Credit utilization makes up 30% of your score. It is the second biggest factor overall. Utilization is simple math. It is how much of your available credit limit you actually use. High usage terrifies the banks. It makes you look incredibly risky. You must control this number. This progress bar represents a $10,000 credit limit. Using 90% puts you in the mathematical danger zone. Keep your balance under 30% strictly. Ideally, you want to keep it under 10%. High utilization signals massive financial panic. It drops your score fast. Banks think you are going broke. There are 2 distinct ways to fix this ratio. Method 1 is aggressively paying down your existing balances. Stop buying things you do not need. Throw every spare dollar at your credit card debt. Starve your bad habits to feed your financial freedom. Lower the balance immediately. Pay it off as fast as possible. Stop paying credit card interest. Method 2 is a brilliant mathematical hack. Request a credit limit increase without spending a single dollar more. Call your bank and ask for a higher limit. They often approve this instantly online. Your credit limit grows while your debt stays flat. You instantly manipulate the algorithm. You fix your ratio without spending money. Your actual balance stays the exact same, but your utilization percentage drops drastically. Utilization shows lenders how desperate you are for cash. Lower utilization proves you do not need their money. This change adds 50 to 100 points in just 60 days. It is a massive algorithmic lever. Pull it as soon as possible. Step 4. Do not close your old accounts. People mistakenly think closing unused cards shows financial maturity. Wrong. This is a massive unforced error. Most people do this trying to be responsible. It backfires completely and ruins their score. It causes instant damage to your file. Keep your old accounts open permanently. Closing an old account hurts your score twice. First, it reduces your total available credit limit. This automatically raises your utilization rate instantly. Second, it severely shortens your average credit history length. Length of history is 15% of your total score. Older accounts are highly valuable. They prove you have long-term stability. Here is the exact preservation protocol you must follow. Keep your old zero balance accounts open permanently. Do not close them. Use them for one small purchase every few months. Buy a cheap cup of coffee. Pay it off immediately to keep the status active. Never carry a balance on them. Just keep them alive. This keeps the account active and your utilization low. Credit age is an irreplaceable, non-renewable resource. You cannot buy more time. It acts as a heavy anchor against future financial volatility. Do not throw away years of good history. Keep the anchor secured tightly. Let your history compound over the years. Step 5. Add positive history fast. This is for heavily damaged or brand new credit files. You need to force positive history into the system. You must prove you can handle credit responsibly today. You need fresh data immediately. You need lenders to see positive action. You cannot wait for years. Get a secured credit card immediately. Deposit $500 as cash collateral to build trust with lenders. Use it for tiny monthly expenses only. Pay your small balance in full every single month. After 12 months, your score improves significantly. The bank assumes zero risk. You build flawless payment history easily. Or use a zero-risk hack to bypass the waiting. Ask to be added as an authorized user. Find a trusted family member with pristine credit. You do not even need their physical card. Just get added to the old account legally. They take on zero risk. You get all the algorithmic benefits. Their flawless history gets copied directly onto your report. You get an instant history boost overnight. Injecting this positive data heavily dilutes your past mistakes. It drastically accelerates your entire rebuilding timeline. This forces the algorithm to trust you faster. You skip years of slow rebuilding. You borrow their excellent reputation legally. This graph shows exactly how these 5 strict steps compound. Month 1 clears false errors for a quick bump. Month 2 establishes your digital payment firewall. By month 6, your low utilization pushes you to 690. By month 12, your score rockets past 740. You followed the syllabus perfectly. You executed the system ruthlessly. Welcome to the upgraded reality of a 740 score. You qualify for prime auto loans. You save $50 a month. You pay standard deposits without hassle. You get premium credit cards with massive cash rewards. You stop bleeding money to banks. Banks start paying you instead. Compare this new reality to your old 580 score. You were declined or penalized everywhere you went. Your options were severely limited. Now, you have officially evaded the $200,000 bad credit tax. You have real financial freedom. You have ultimate control over your life. You keep your hard-earned money. What is your current credit score range? Drop it in the comments below right now. Be brutally honest. Less than 600? Or 600 to 700? Or 700 plus? Let us see exactly where everyone stands today. Own your numbers loudly. Face your reality today. You did not get lucky. You learned the rules of a game nobody taught you. Mastering your credit grants you ultimate financial leverage. Next, you cannot stop overspending no matter how hard you try. Here is the exact system to control it permanently. Click the next video right now.